Hello, my name is Owen Hutto. This is the 6990 train right here. It's from the 1980s. It's pretty cool. Still runs. We got a little swimming pool over here, station, got a little gun over here, and stuff like that. Got a little trap over here. This guy's like a little thing guy. And so this is the train, as you can see, right over here. The guy, he opens up right in here, driver, or the driver can be right in there. And so here's the other station that we built. Right over here, we got a little laser over here, you can see. Got stairs to walk up here. Our station walk over here. Ticket machine, got a little security camera, so they have to pay and stuff to turn. Oh, and also this can turn its direction and stuff. First, let's try it out in circles first. So let's start this thing up. And if I turn it another way, it'll go that way. But if I turn it this way, it'll go the other way. And stuff, it'll stop and stuff if you do different things. But and so you can see this train here. Well, it's pretty nice and stuff. Had a little rock chip over here. People can sit in here. And so this is a really cool set. We'll run it a couple more times. Let's see what it can do. Some more. And now, here comes the opening. We're going to break through all that. Here it comes. Change the gear. Well, let's keep going. And so this is my video for Owen Hutto. Just go to Owen Hutto at YouTube. I hope you liked the video. To see more videos, just go to Owen Hutto at YouTube. So yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching.